Welcome to Beyond Blue. I'm Susan and this is the first episode of our luxury travel show. We'll be sharing top tips and insights to help families plan the perfect getaway and show you how to travel with kids in style without sacrificing luxury or comfort. Traveling with children can be challenging, but with the right villa and planning, you can create a vacation that's relaxing for parents and fun for kids. At Isle Blue, we offer family-friendly villas that cater to every member of your family, no matter the age. Choosing the right villa for your family. Step 1 in planning the perfect family vacation. Picking the right villa. Spacious, safe, and packed with amenities for all ages. Isle Blue's family-friendly villas, like Villa Riviera in St. Martin, are designed with families in mind. Look for villas with large common areas where kids can play, along with dedicated spaces with games rooms or play zones. Many of our villas also offer child-friendly pools with shallow ends so everyone can enjoy a dip safely. Keeping kids entertained. Keeping the kids entertained is key to a successful family vacation. Isle Blue's concierge service can help organise kid-friendly activities from private snorkeling lessons to beach games and treasure hunts. Villas near the family-friendly beaches like Villa Seclusion in Turks and Caicos offer easy access to safe, shallow waters and soft sand, perfect for little ones. Another great option, family yacht charters. The kids can enjoy spotting marine life while the parents relax, making it the perfect mix of adventure and relaxation. Family dining made easy. Family meals don't have to be stressful when you're staying in a villa. Isle Blue offers private chefs who can prepare customized meals for your family, catering to even the pickiest eaters. So whether that is a fun pizza night or a healthy spread, our chefs can ensure everyone is happy. Having meals prepared in the comfort of your villa allows you to enjoy quality family time without the hassle of finding kid-friendly restaurants, ensuring safety and convenience. Safety is every parent's priority when traveling. Isle Blue's villas can be fully outfitted with baby equipment such as cribs, high chairs, and baby monitors, so you don't have to worry about packing the essentials. Our concierge service will set everything up before you arrive. Many of our villas also are equipped with child safety features like gated pools, safety stairs, and baby gates to give parents peace of mind while their little ones explore. Fun for parents too. Of course, it's not just about the kids. Parents deserve some time to relax too. Isle Blue offers babysitting and nanny services, allowing you to indulge in some much needed adult time. So whether that's a couple's massage or a romantic dinner for two, our villas provide the perfect setting for relaxation. Our villas ensure parents can have their moments of peace while the kids are well taken care of. That makes family travel with Isle Blue so special. You get the perfect balance. With the right planning, travel with kids does not have to be stressful. Isle Blue's family-friendly villas offer the perfect blend of luxury, fun, and convenience, making your next family vacation an unforgettable experience. Are you ready to plan your next family getaway? Visit isleblue.co to explore our collection of family-friendly luxury villas. Thanks for joining us on Beyond Blue, and I'll see you next time.